found a new stand, baby. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So it is currently Thursday night. I just got home from work a little bit ago. Oh, don't fuck with me, stand. And I decided to make a video because we're gonna be eating some bomb food today and drinking. So I picked this up. It's a new cider. I only like to drink cider beer. So it's by the brand Ace, California. Perry Craft Cider, and it is pear flavor. Sounds so delish. So I have two. And then a couple sandwiches here by Tofurkey. One of them is turkey slices, the other is ham. I'm not sure which is which. We have spinach, pickle, chow, tomato, is this crooked? Chow, tomato, cayenne cheese, and some mayo and honey mustard, vegan honey mustard. And then this is something that I made yesterday. It's a 15 bean soup blend. So I cooked that, put some, the hot dogs that I had in one of my previous videos, I sliced that up, some onion, a bunch of crap in here. Couldn't even tell you. And I got a new stand from Target, the Dollar Spot, but I don't know if it's gonna balance well. It's looking a little woozy. So we're just gonna start with this. Smells Cajun-y. Brandon got me a new water bottle. We saw this at Home Goods. Well, I saw it at Home Goods yesterday when we went, and I was hooked. I love colorful stuff. It's just water with, I have a yerba mate tea bag in there and some lemon juice. All right, please be twist off. Oh my God. Are you not twist off? Let's see if it works this time. Oh my God, don't. Oh. Is it? It is lighter, right, that you use? I could have sworn someone used a lighter before. You know what? I'm scared. Babe.
Yeah.
Can you grab me bottle opener?
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, it's so good. Wow, that's pear. What does that remind me of? Cheers. Hopefully it's good. Please be good. Not bad. I went to Earth Fair to get a specific cider. It's by Angry Orchard, and they now have rosé cider. I love rosé, but apparently they sold out the first day they got it. I'm like, great. So I was gonna get wine, but I'm like, I'm not in a wine kind of mood tonight. So I saw this, and I'm like, pear, let's do it. It's pretty good. It smells like heavily pear scented. Why am I describing perfume? But the taste isn't too strong. So let's start with sandwich. It's funny. We toasted one side, but I didn't want the other one toasted. I didn't want it too toasted because it hurts the roof of my mouth for some reason. So it's just a simple old sandwich. we heated the deli slices and the cheese together in the toaster oven. That makes all the difference. Hell yeah. And the honey mustard too. Yeah, it's so good. That bread. I don't know what kind it is. It's like organic something from the deli. But yeah, the beans, Brandon's grandma gave it to us. It's like a Cajun 15 bean soup thing. It comes with like a Cajun seasoning packet, but I threw that out because I don't like all that crap in there. I put like my own seasonings, like salt, pepper, Cajun, oregano, curry. I literally put almost all the seasonings I had in my cabinet. And white Indian basmati rice, which is the best. And this is gluten-free, by the way, in case you were wondering. It tastes like something. I don't know what. I don't know what it is. I don't know, but I hope it gives me some good burps. It's nothing like some sandwiches and brews at the end of a long day. It was a long, busy day. I hope everyone's having an awesome day. You won't see this till Friday. That tomato cayenne cheese is so freaking good. OMG, it is worth the $5. Honestly. I don't know if you can see the honey mustard just like drizzling down. We're gonna try that one. I used a dull ass knife to cut this, and look at the fucking. You know what? Hold on one second. This is uneven. Oh my gosh, look at this fucking. We'll work with it. Mm. Mm. I don't know why. The rice and beans has like a burnt smell to it. They don't taste burnt though. I don't know. So good with the hot dog though. Mm. I'm thinking like, do we have ice cream in the freezer? Mmm. Hell yeah. I want to do a Q&A soon. So if you have any questions, ask me. Leave a comment. It's just so good. I can't stop. I wish I made like 5 more of these sandwiches. They're so good. I probably wouldn't get this again. I don't know. I would just prefer regular apple cider. I'm not. It reminds me of something. Kind of smells like baby wipes. I don't know. The taste is really mild though, so I can handle it, but I might grab another cider downstairs. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I just started working out, so I'm doing something about being out of shape, but fuck, going up them stairs. I got a Mike's Hard Blackberry Pear Lemonade. Pear again, but this is really good. I love Mike's Hard Lemonade, and this is really good. It's the last one in my fridge. I think it's Twist. Yes. Bruh. I didn't even take a first sip. Every time. Oh yeah. Mm. Mm. That is good. It's sweet. Oh. And I got another. We went OD at Home Goods yesterday, and I saw these. I love falafels, and this is by Saffron Road. It's falafel crunchy chickpeas, which are seasoned with Middle Eastern spices. These are good. I eat them by itself, but I'm sure you could put them like on a salad, and your rice. I don't know, whatever you want to do. What they look like. Super good. Super crunchy. So the rice is burnt because Brandon asked, he goes, does it taste burnt to you? So FML. Not sure why. I mean, I did leave it, super burnt smell. I did leave it with the lid on high for like 8 minutes. Oopsie. Oh, I'm just gonna. Now the smell is like unbearable. I'm just gonna put the sandwiches on here and put this over there. It's a little too cray. Don't worry, sooner or later you'll see. Oh, I'll make a video. I'll have some moonshine in my video because I still have the apple pie. And hunch punch. Oh, that's crunchy. Someone wanted me to show my belly when I'm done eating, which I find a little weird. I don't know why. I'll do it in a future video, but I'm not wearing pants today, to be honest, so I will not be showing you my stomach today. But stick around, you just might see it in a future video. 22 minutes. And I burped once. I feel like my lips match my shirt. I don't think my lipstick's on anymore. Yo, oh my god. The crust is so crunchy. These are delish. Oh, I'm so glad I'm off tomorrow. I'm going to the beach. It was gonna be hella nice out. I'm gonna go to the beach for a few hours. Last Friday, hold on, I'm fixing my sandwich right now. Last Friday we went to the beach. Had planned to. And then we were almost there, and then my brake light went on. And like when it goes on, it beeps constantly until you put your foot on the brake. Or like until you stop the car. So then we got there, and that's all I was thinking about. I'm like, yo, what the hell is up? I've never had problems with my car, and I've had it since September 2015. It's a 2014. So we were only at the beach for like 30 to 45 minutes. I'm like, all right, let me just call like a mechanic. So we found one nearby, and carefully drove the car there, like with our hazards on, because I was worried, like, what if the brakes give out at any moment? I don't know anything about cars, pretty much. I should, but... So we took it to the mechanic, and originally he was gonna work on it Monday. That's when he had time. So like the weekend, it would have to stay there. But then he gave me a call like an hour later saying that it was that the brakes, the rotors and the front brake pads needed to be replaced. So it was like $200. I'm like, yo, I was expecting it to be more. But then we got there, and he said that pretty much the reason the light was on was because we accidentally pressed the emergency brake in a little bit, which we did. When we went to get an oil change, Brandon didn't know the latch to pop the hood, so he pressed that a little bit, and that's why. But he's like, well, you were gonna need brakes soon anyway, so I just did it for you. I'm like, you motherfucker. But thankfully, nothing was wrong with my car. So, long story short, which I told you the whole story anyways, going to the beach tomorrow, and I'm really excited. We're gonna pack some sandwiches and get a really good tan. When's the last time I had a drink? Oh, Tennessee. It's like 3 weeks ago. Not bad. Oh, there she is. Hi, baby. Hi. I have the bread like stuck on the inside of my teeth. Whew. I bought an eyebrow pencil thing last night at Walgreens. It's not completely done. Like, I really just half-assed this. But I like how it looks darker. I don't know, I'm liking it. It's by Wet n Wild. It just like frames my face. I don't know. I think it's cute. What do you guys think? Yay? Nay? Like I said, I half-assed it. I'm sure I could do it so much better if I wanted to. It's funny because I drink fruity shit like this and like apple cider, but then again I love whiskey and ginger ale. Love that shit. Like, I rarely get cider when I'm out. It's usually always whiskey, or this one place I get frosé, which is bomb. I hate when it gets discolored like that. Question of the day, who eats pickles on their sandwiches? I do. I don't know, I love it. I just love the flavor it gives. But I know a lot of people don't like it. Maybe because most of the time, like if it's on a burger or something, it's warm. But even like this, do you like pickles on your sandwiches or no? Come on. Go get you some. These are bomb. Home Goods is the spot for snacks. Like, I went there to get some teas and stuff. Pretty much just tea. But we got there and they have like really cool healthy stuff too. Like, I bought beetroot powder latte, which I've never seen or heard of before, but apparently it's really good for you. Maca powder. I got some cacao nibs, yerba mate tea, which is in here. I've been drinking all day at work. We got like a trail mix blend of like coconut, dried fruit, walnuts, cashews. We got a bunch of other stuff. I should do a haul. I could have. Maybe I'll insert a picture here, maybe not. I can't wait to take a shower. Honestly, though. I'm going to finish this beer, and then I'm going to head on out. If you eat too many and get like towards the end, once the flavor is gone, it kind of just tastes like you're eating like cardboard or like plain crackers. It reminds me of like when I used to smoke. I would be high as a kite and get the munchies, but then I would like start eating and it would just taste like cardboard because I'd usually snack on chips. yes to this, no sorry to this. If only I'd gotten like 1 or 2 bottles, but I got a 6-pack. I'm sure I'll drink it in the future. That'll be that, oh, I'm tipsy and I want to continue drinking, but I ain't got shit in my house. Then I'll drink that. Sorry if I wasn't like live and hype tonight. I'm kind of just like chilling, like it's a chill night, you know? Very spur of the moment. Lately, my videos have been super last minute. Like, I wasn't planning on making a video, but then I got home, I'm like, well, I have beer, and I'm making some bomb-ass homemade food. Like, I think of it super last minute. So I'm not, like, super hype. Because I just got home, and it's been a long day, and I'm tired. I want to take a shower, but I wanted to chill with y'all, you know, have a couple brewskis. If you're 21 and over. Also let me know if you guys would want to have a live chat, like if you want me to go live. I've went live in the past, but I don't know. I need more people who want to see me live, and I will go live. Maybe this weekend, you let me know. Almost done. Literally like 2, 3 of these, and I'm feeling good, like tipsy. I love Mike's. But if you're not a fan of sweet, then you definitely wouldn't like Mike's Hard Lemonade or any of the flavors. They're super sweet. Not like I'm gonna get a fucking cavity, but I'm sure there's definitely sugar in here. That was good. Oh, 40 minutes. Great. All right, I don't feel any burps coming, so I don't think I'm gonna be burping anymore. I'm looking at myself. Wow, I look crazy. I did this, remember I told you I was gonna do the blackhead strip? I bought, not Biore, but it's like the Walgreens brand. But what I did first was baking soda. Like, I made a paste with baking soda and a little bit of water and rubbed it on my nose. And then I let it sit there for a couple minutes. Like, you could start to feel it, like, fizzing up and, like, kind of like a sting / burn, but more like fizzy, and it's just, like, itchy. So then we rinse it off and then put the mask on. And it works pretty well. Like, my nose is super soft, and a lot of the visible blackheads are, like, gone. Like, it works super good. Sorry, my face is so greasy. Oh, my God. I wore no makeup today. Just eyebrows that I did last night when I bought it. I tried, like, I put a little bit on, and then it stayed on, so I just reapplied a little bit more. But other than that, and some lipstick, what you see is what you get. I can't wink. I can't. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like and comment. Comment your questions, or, you know, if you want me to do a Q&A, I would love to do one. Also, let me know if you want me to go live soon, because I would also do that. Maybe like a tipsy live. That sounds fun. That sounds like a good time. But yeah, Comment, like, subscribe, join the fam bam. Thank you, ma'am. And sir. I will see you later. Have a great day or night, wherever you are in this lovely world, and I'll see you soon. Bye.